Welcome back to the shed of endless possibilities. Just going to do another quick taste test, folks. Hope you're all okay. I hope your Monday's going well. To everyone out there who supports the channel, thank you. I appreciate you all, and please keep those comments coming. Right, this is my first ever attempt at Lay's crisps, which I believe own Walkers now, and these are maximum strong chili and lime flavoured, and these are £2 from Iceland, which is a little bit dear for a bag of crisps, but there we go. Lay's chili and lime flavoured chips, 120 grams. Ingredients: potatoes, vegetable oil, which is corn and or canola, chili, lemon seasoning, spices including chili pepper, yeast extract, corn maltodextrin. Allergy warnings in here are for milk, soy, and that's about it. Certainly smell it says lime, but on the back it says lemon. Oh well. There we go, folks. A very slightly ridged . They've got a nice crunch to them. Can't really taste the lime at all. The chili's there. Get a gentle tickle on the back of the throat. They're quite clean fries, you know, they're not greasy like so many of the others you get. They're not bad at all. If you're expecting a kick from the chili, you won't really get one. But I really can't taste the lime at all. but okay. I don't really know what I was expecting, but it says they're hot, but they're not. I wouldn't buy them again personally. Flavour wise 5 out of 10. Heat wise 2 out of 10. That's about it. Right folks, I'll leave that one there for now. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, hit that like button, leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, just come and join us. It's completely free. Helps the channel grow and we become part of that bigger community. So as always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Enjoy the rest of the day everyone. Bye for now.